Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to see old Instagram stories. So guys, the first thing that you will do is open the application, and then from here guys, at the bottom you will have here your profile. Just click on your profile at the bottom right, and from here guys, on the top right, go to the three lines over here, and then after that guys, you will have here an option archive. So just tap on it, and then from here you will have three dots on the top right corner guys. Just click on it, and from here go to the settings, and then make sure guys to toggle this option, save story to archive. So guys, once you have toggled it, you will have here your stories for the past few months or your previous story that you posted. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!